let's start here with we're going to start with, let's do a right stall and a left stall and a right stall and a left stall. Okay, and then a right stall, left stall. Yes, yes, and then a right stall, left stall. And a right stall, left stall, right stall, left stall. Okay, right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left. Okay, now let's do it starting with the left hand. So left stall, then right stall, then left stall, and right stall. Okay, and now left, then right, and left, then right. Try and keep it in split time when you're doing it as opposed to quarter time. Let me see if I can do like a quarter time demo for you. So it'd be like ga-gung, and then ga-gung, instead of gung, 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 gung. Does that make sense? Yeah. Nice correction. Okay, so then let's do all four of them starting with the left. So left and right and left and right and left and right, left, right, left and right, left and right, left, right, left, right.